I had a reason to revisit a food manufacturing facility sometimes over the last weekend. I noticed a few changes as a sustainability professional, which really inspired this video. Number one is that the fact that on the workbench or on the production bench, I used to be very long with several pumps, several dryers, several things that walked along the bench in the processing of the food. All of a sudden, that long line was just streamlined to just a few meters, and that signifies that long line that was actually cut short has reduced the amount of energy that is used, the power consumption, the electricity. That's one. Secondly, there was this need for water usage, and water usage was very intensive, and it was largely uncontrolled. Right now, there is an installation of very portable and fitted pipes and hoses that supplies water to what you're actually doing, or you really do not need to use the large amount of water or volume of water for that same process anymore. And two things actually stayed out for me was the fact that I think somebody must have been thinking in that organization. Somebody must have been thinking, how do we manage, how do we reduce our resource consumption? How do we reduce the level of water we use? How do we reduce the level of energy, light, in all utilities that we use in this organization? And that got me thinking, because honestly, if we are really going to make headway with our push for sustainability, we need to begin to audit our processes. We need to begin to audit our lifestyle. We need to begin to audit several things about us, the things we do, as it relates to our resource use and consumption. It's very important. The United Nations Secretary General had this to say sometimes last week on LinkedIn, and he was saying that as of Thursday last week, the world has used, more than what it can actually replenish. That's natural resources that have been taken up from the earth in this year 2026 alone, has surpassed what we can actually replenish. And this is the balance, this is the rationale. Imbalances happen when you're taking more than what you're giving back. That's actually the principle of imbalance. So think about the earth system, think about the ecosystem that we live in today. It means that if we continue at this rate, if we're making unsustainable demands on the earth and on the planetary system that we find ourselves in, we are actually living it and making it unsustainable for the future and for the years to come. What's the lesson, and why am I making this video? Individually, as an individual, as a corporation, as an organization, wherever you find yourselves, it's high time we begin to audit. Let's begin to audit our processes. Let's begin to audit our lifestyle. Let's begin to audit the things we buy, the things we do not buy. Many times right now, there's this conscious or rather unconscious, instinct in me. Anytime I have need to buy something, I'm asking myself, do I really need this? And this question must really sit across several sectors of the society, several sectors of the economy, to help us really taper down on what our resource consumption is. Because that's the first place we need to begin to audit it. That's the first place for us to begin to think about, how to reduce it and make this planet sustainable for today and for tomorrow.